Hello guys, welcome to Miss Radiology 22. I hope you are fine. Today we have discussed about the mechanism of breathing. The physical movement associated with the gases exchange are called breathing. There are two phases of breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Inspiration or exhalation. During inspiration, the ribs muscle contract and ribs are recede. At the same time, the dome-shaped diaphragm are contract and is lowered. This movement increases the area of thorax cavity, which reduces the pressure on lungs. As a result, the lungs expand and the air pressure within them also decreases. The air from outside rushes into the lungs to equalize the pressure on both sides. Inspiration and exhalation. After the gases exchange in the lungs, the impure air is expelled out in exhalation. The ribs muscles relax, bringing the ribs back to the original position. The diaphragm muscles also relax and it gets its recide dome shape. This reduces the space in the chest cavity and increases the pressure on lungs. The lungs contract and the air is exhaled out of them. Human breathe 60 to 20 times per minute in normal circumstances. At rest, the rate of breathing is controlled by the respiratory center in the brain. The respiratory center is sensitive to the concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood. During exercise or other hard physical work, the breathing rate may increase up to 30 to 40 times per minute. When we do exercise or some hard jobs, our muscle cells carry out cellular respiration at greater rate. It results in the production of more carbon dioxide, which is released in the blood. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe to Miss Radiology 22 and press the bell icon button. Thanks.